students, today our aim for this experiment is to identify the given solutes as soluble or insoluble. In order to perform the given experiment, follow the following procedure. For performing this experiment, I have taken sugar, an oil, black salt, some color and mud. I need 3 beakers or 3 glasses of water for performing this experiment. In first case, I have taken about 100 ml of water and now I add a teaspoon of sugar and stir it well. You can see that the sugar has started to dissolve in the water. So, in this first case, I observe that the sugar, our first solute, dissolves in water completely. Hence, it is soluble. Now, performing the second part of our experiment. Now, in the same beaker, I add some salt. You can take maximum of 1 tablespoon of salt. We observe that it also dissolves in water completely. Hence, it is also soluble. Now, performing the third part of our experiment, which is taking mud. I am taking some salt, I am taking some mud and dissolving it in water. Adding this to water, we observe that it settles down or sinks after stirring. Hence, it is insoluble. The mud, on settling down, shows sinking. And our last experiment, but not the least, we have oil for our experiment. Now I have oil in my hands. You can take any vegetable oil or hair oil for this experiment. Adding this to water, I realize that it is floating on water. I just try to stir it well. Oh yes, after stirring also, it remains above the water surface. That means it is insoluble. Also, it is floating on water, hence we can say it floats on water. Hence, we have proved that some substances can be soluble whereas others can be insoluble in water. So students, I am pretty sure that you would find this experiment quite interesting. Thank you.